Here we are going to national topic is social issue, national curriculum framework for a school education. Why News Ministry of Education released the pre-draft of the national curriculum framework for a school education for the public feedback. And about here is given about proposal national curriculum framework for the school education क्या कर रहा है NCFSC is intended to guide the development of textbook and curriculum in accordance with the National Education Policy 2020. NCFSC was last revised in 2005 and existing set of NCERT textbook were prepared using it. Proposed NCFSC is for the age group of 3 to 18 years. The NCFSC, after its adoption of the by the CBSE and other state board, will also restructure various other aspects of the classroom, including choice of the subject, pattern of the teaching, and assessment of the student. उसके बाद क्या है भाई? परपोज करिकुलम चेंज. क्या है परपोज करिकुलम चेंज में? For class wise approach for children age 3 to 8 means preschool to the class second, a play based pedagogical approach using toy, puzzle and the manipulative is suggested. For the middle stage class 7, 6, 7, 8 natural as well as social science will be introduced. The textbook are to be play a central role from the middle stage. For class for class 9 and 10, the students are to the study 6 courses categorized under the 8 very curriculum area and will have to clear 8 paper to obtain the final certification. उसके बाद क्या कह रहा है? उसके बाद कह रहा है सजेस्टेड curricular area are humanity that include the language, mathematics, computing, vocational education, physical education, art and social science and science and interdisciplinary area. For class 9 and 10, for class 11th and 12th, choice-based course from the same discipline are provided and semester system of examination with cumulative grade point is to be introduced for the class 12th, and no hard separation among the art, humanity and science. There is to be no hard separation among the art, humanity and science. A student are provided with the opportunity of pursuing subject under mixed background. An academic year and a school schedule. क्या है academic year and a school schedule? The NCFSC provided for a specific framework suggesting that the academic year should be 180 school day and 34 week across all stage of education. It called for a 5.5 day week schedule with 29 working hour of students with a period of 40 minutes up to the class 8 and 50 minutes from the class 9. Other recommendation, modular board examination will be offered as opposed to a single examination at the end of the year, and the pre-draft NCF purpose the integration of the ancient Indian knowledge system such as the six paramanas way of acquiring knowledge and the Panchkosh system for moral development described in the Taittiriya Upanishad. Draft has proposed way through which the Indian education system could be fine-tuned to meet the need of the current and future trend without missing way from our route and but adapting ourselves to the growing demand of pluralistic world. So here is the and there is the block. In block something is given, so I would like to read that block also. So first block here is the given. Let's see. नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क एंड नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020. क्या कह रहा है? नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी कह रहा है नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी इज comprehensive framework to the guide the national development of education in the country. It guide the development of education and provide direction for regulating and promoting education. NEP 2020 aim to devise 4 national curriculum framework for which a comprehensive strategy has been worked out jointly by the MOE and national NCERT A national steering committee under the chairmanship of the the Dr. K. Kasturirangan was set up by the MOE to undertake and guide the development of NCF. The NCF address education for the age group of 3 to 18 years and across the entire range of the diverse institution in India. This is across the four stage in the 5+3+3+4 curricular and pedagogical restructuring of school education as envisaged in NEP 2020. National Curriculum Framework for Early Childhood Care and Education is already prepared, and the rest of NCF for teacher education, adult education are underway. And the NCF bring to life the aim and commitment of the NEP, like first is they include the full range of the human capacity and value and the position that are aimed to develop in the school education. Pedagogic practice and culture must work in the tandem to develop these and the move away from an emphasis on the memorization and content accumulation. In fact, content reduction is required to create a space for such development. Integrative, holistic, with equal status to all the subject and learning domain from math to sport, and confront and address real challenge facing our country education system. उसके बाद यहाँ पर है नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क. ये है नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन. उसके बाद है नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर एजुकेशन एंड नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क for teacher education and national curriculum framework for adult education. So this much has been given. Next is a Panchkosh Vikas has given Panchkosh Vikas. So here I would like to read Panchkosh Anand Maya Kosh, Vijayan Maya Kosh, and Mano Maya Kosh, and the Parnam Maya Kosh, and the Anand Maya Kosh. So this much. This is 5 Panchkosh means first is Anand Maya Kosh, Vijanya Maya Kosh, and the Mano Maya Kosh, and the Parnam Maya Kosh, and the Anam Maya Kosh. सही है. और उसके बाद है आपका इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एनसीएफ फॉर स्कूल एजुकेशन. क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है इसका भाई? एनसीएफ नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर स्कूल एजुकेशन holistic in nature. Students are provided the opportunity to pursue a variety of subjects under different system. Embodied culture connect. The curriculum's goal is to make the students understand their culture connect better so as to release and propagate it better. Impart equality. It advocate against the discrimination based on the caste, gender, religion, socio-economic condition, students' performance in the campus. Improve learning level. Semester-based approach. Reduce the anxiety created due to the one-time board exam and help the students prepare and learn better. Ideal for the country's future. Pedagogy is not only designed to make students learn better, but also to make him a law-abiding ideal citizen. Yes, very correct statement. Next is the Parmans. परमांस क्या करा? पहला है प्रत्यक्ष, उसके बाद है अनुमाना, उसके बाद है उपमाना, उसके बाद है अर्थपट्टी, अनुपलादि एंड शब्द. तो पहला प्रत्यक्षा में क्या करा है? डायरेक्ट परसेप्शन थ्रू द 5 सेंस कैन बी फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू अनुभव, डायरेक्ट परसेप्शन, स्मृति, रिमेंबर्स परसेप्शन. अनुमाना क्या है? यूजिंग इन्फेरेंस, ऑब्टेनिंग ए न्यू कंक्लूजन ऑफ द फ्रॉम द ऑब्जर्वेशन. उसके बाद है उपमाना नोइंग थ्रू द एनालॉजी कंपेरिजन. उसके बाद है अर्थपति, नोइंग थ्रू सर्कमस्टेंशियल इम्प्लीकेशन. अनुपलादि, परसेप्शन ऑफ नॉन एग्जिस्टेंस इज कंसिडर ए वैलिड फॉर्म ऑफ नॉलेज. उसके बाद है आपका शब्द, रिलाई on the fact that the individual can only directly known a fraction of all reality through direct experience and interference, but must rely on the other expert too. So here is the I would like to stop.